In this next lecture, we're going to focus on why this material is absolutely crucial at this moment in history. So let's just imagine for a second we were in a wartime scenario. Now, if you or I happen to be captured by the enemy and they wanted to torture us, what's the first 3 things they would take away from us? Well, first they'd put you in a room, they'd put bright lights on you, and they'd keep you awake 24 hours a day. Now, why would they do this? They'd throw buckets of water on you, bright lights, loud music, because they want to psychologically, emotionally, and physically start to break you down, to keep you from being at your best so that you maybe tell them the information they want to get out of you or do something that they want you to do. But they're trying to break you by keeping you from sleeping for 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours at a time. Not only that, if you've noticed, in most movies, I don't have any experience myself, but in most movies I've watched, if you look at it, they don't have some high-end goji berry super performance shakes they give you multiple times a day while you're in prison. If anything, they give you that bowl of slop and a piece of bread and say, good luck. So let's just think, why wouldn't they give you highly densely nutrient-rich food and nutrition? Well, they don't want you all fueled up. They don't want you to, be ready energetically to run the race or break free or really go for it. Again, they want to break you down. So they take away your sleep. They take away your food. Now, here's the last one. Notice they put you in a cell. They don't put you in a gym. They don't give you 3 cells down a treadmill to get your workout on every morning and feel like your absolute best. And so most of us agree they take away your sleep, they take away your nutrition, they take away your movement, and we would call that a wartime prisoner situation or torture to an extreme level. Now, here's what's interesting. As busy entrepreneurs, parents, students, what are the first 3 things we give up when we get busy? So interesting that we tend to not sleep as much as we know we should, not get the workouts we know we really should, and then we just start skipping meals and saying in a minute, in a minute, in a minute, and land up going past the time that we need to refuel and running on empty wondering what the heck happened. So if we're going to help you get back to the healthiest, happiest, and strongest version of yourself, we're going to need to focus on setting the foundation right to make sure that you are fueled up, focused, and ready to conquer every single day. So what are some of the benefits of this performance-focused course? Number 1, lower or eliminate stress. Number 2, have razor-sharp mental clarity. Number 3, have pain-free physical performance while being the strongest version of yourself each and every day. Number 4, easy, effortless, intelligent weight loss. Number 5, emotional resilience. Number 6, being more attractive. Number 7, having more energy. Number 8, increased happiness. And number 9, an overall increase in your personal and professional performance. So let me give you a quick tip on how to get the absolute most out of this course. We live in a culture right now where a lot of us are addicted to junk. And it's the little stuff that we like to snack on to fill the mental, emotional, or physical void that's going on that doesn't quite fill us up. Whether it's food or television, it's things we reach for in the moment that make us feel better momentarily, but 10 minutes later, 20 minutes later, a day later, you kind of feel worse afterwards. It didn't really satiate you. It didn't really fill you up or do the job it was supposed to. So in this course, what you really want to do is think of it as a full, nutritious meal. What does that mean? If you're going to get the most out of that meal, you got to do the whole thing. You got to eat it all, take your time, enjoy the process, just like a really, really expensive and amazing fine dining meal. If you're going to one of these 4-course meals, you want to enjoy every lecture, enjoy every bite, enjoy every part of the course, and in the end, I promise you one thing. You will feel full. Full of energy, full of life, full of purpose, and full of excitement to go out and turn your dream life into reality.